What up, YouTube?
What's up, guys?
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
We are here.
Yo, check this out. So it's another episode of Good Eats with Dion and Tony.
So tap in, and it starts right now.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like fast life, you like to drive, get down dirty, act like a bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep.
What up, D T Bangaz? Welcome back to an episode of Dion and Tony. It's your boy Dion.
Tony is here.
Welcome to our world where it's not a show but a side of life.
That's right, babe.
It's not a show but a side of life.
That's right, bangers.
It's not a show because the elephant in the room is this.
Hey.
We've been going through life and life has been life and videos have been inconsistent, but we've been trying to make it do what it do, but it's not a show but a side of life.
That's right, babe.
Shout out to our D T
What
Bangaz. We
up?
thank you guys for rocking with us each and every week.
All of y'all new?
However, if you're new here,
Come on through.
be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell a friend, bring a friend.
Come
New
on
videos each and every Monday and Wednesday. Unless there's a glitch in the matrix, we're on vacation, it's a holiday, we can't pull through.
Y'all heard what he said. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Comment in the comment section. Let us know if you like this video. Let us know what you think about this recipe.
Because we would love you for that.
Hey!
Ding. Listen, so check this out. Before we get started into today, let's talk about it. You want to talk about it? We're not supposed to talk about it because, as some people may say, you guys are YouTubers. I expect you guys to just
Keep
do
pushing
the
them out.
videos.
Keep pushing them
like,
out.
You're not supposed to.
Keep
I don't want to hear
going.
about your life.
Right.
I don't want to hear about
We
what you're
don't
going
care
through.
about what that
We don't
is
care about
going,
none of
what
that.
it
We just want the
is.
videos when you say we're going to have the videos. I get all that.
I'm so sorry.
But that's not our story.
We so sorry.
It's not our story.
So sorry.
Life has definitely been life, and my
Yes.
schedule has been definitely been kicking my butt. My hours have changed. My commute has changed. The boys have been acting up. Things have been going on.
And y'all know I just come for the ride.
Yes.
That's
So Tony's been getting on my nerves.
Oh, girl. Stop playing with me.
So listen, a lot has been going on, but we've been trying to push them out, trying to get them got. We have some other videos in the vault, but they're like I think, I don't know if we said them before. It's going to be like mashup.
Yeah.
Sort of kind of thing, because we started the videos, but then, listen, we've been.
It wasn't a
enjoying
complete vlog, babe.
Yeah.
And so now we're just trying to figure out how we're going to piece them together for you guys.
Yeah,
to
because
see.
the whole thing about it is, this is around the holiday season where we're trying to enjoy the time with the family and get the experiences in. So we were definitely thinking about taking a break. Like,
we were seriously like, for the
we
whole
gonna come back.
December,
We're gonna
like,
come back in
listen, we're
January.
gonna come back in January and be like, hello, we are here, brand new, everything, honey.
Yeah, so,
which probably was not going to be the case.
It wasn't going to be nothing brand new. It's just we was going to be coming fresh from a hiatus because we haven't had a vacation in a couple months.
Yeah, so we just like, we tired.
Listen, I'm tired. Extremely tired.
We're tired.
Been burning the candle. So I don't know. We may listen. I'm not making no promises. We may take the last week off from Christmas to New Year's. We may,
or maybe the last 2 weeks.
Last 2 weeks. We don't know. We don't know. Listen,
we want more.
We're trying to get them out as best as we possibly can. If anything, we just probably play the videos in the vault, so all of those videos can be out for 2024.
Coming at ya.
Yeah, and then 2025 we just come with new videos. Like, we might just do that because, it's been a lot going on. But we're not gonna get enough about that. Enough about that.
Okay, babe. Listen, we done said all of that.
Yeah.
You done bored them with what you just said.
I'm bored of
Yes.
Here.
What are we eating?
Yeah, we're tired.
What are we cooking
Did you go to sleep?
today?
We're gonna make a stuffed crab cheddar big biscuit with a butter sauce. That'll be like a garlic butter sauce.
Come on.
Something, something. And Tony made some succotash that I'm gonna eat with mine.
You know what? I didn't think of that.
But you
right?
made some
I made
succotash.
some succotash.
What you make it for? Just to have it?
For the chicken.
But you wasn't making that tonight, was you?
I don't know.
Exactly. So we're gonna eat that later. But anyway, it's not gonna be on the plate. But anyway, so let's get into it.
Let's go! Alright, Banger. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make our cheddar bay biscuit mix according to the recipe. Alright? Let's go. Alright guys, in a bowl you wanna put the mixture in. Then you're going to add some cold water, 3/4 cup of cold water. Just like that.
At this point, family, this is when I realized Tony added too much water. At this moment, we knew he messed up.
Then you're gonna add a half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese to the mixture. And then we're gonna stir it in and then set this to the side, guys. Let's go.
Don't overmix.
More. We want more.
Alright guys, now that that's mixed together, incorporated, then you just set it to the side while you make your crab meat.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna start with our crab mixture. We're gonna use a pound of crab meat that we're gonna put in a separate bowl. Alright bangers, so let's season this up right now. So we're gonna go ahead and start with some paprika. And you be the judge of how much you want to add. We're gonna put some onion powder in. We're not going from the measurements of the recipe that we found initially.
We cooking with soul.
With love.
Love, flavor.
Some garlic powder. Some Italian seasoning. Guys, this reminds me of like the holidays where you find like these different recipes and you're able to, you know, bang them out, sit down and watch a movie and enjoy your food. So then we're gonna do some, not Old Bay, but it's crab seasoning. We're gonna add to this mixture. Not too much, because this thing right here is powerful. Alright, then we're gonna go with some mayo.
Now let's get a little bit of mustard first because we're gonna stretch it out with the mayo. We don't want to put too much mustard.
Yes, babe.
Alright. Now top it with the mayo.
So then we're gonna top this off with some mayo. Alright, so we already crushed up one sleeve of Ritz crackers.
That's like the little small packs, guys, you know?
Yeah, that we're gonna pour into the mixture.
And then mix it well. Then you adjust it according to the consistency of how you want it, with a little bit more mayonnaise or not. Just a little bit of mayonnaise because it almost have a great consistency as it is. So we had to adjust the seasoning a little bit just to make it a little bit more flavorful. We just tried it out. Since they don't have egg in it, we was actually able to try it. You know what I mean? Just make it do what it do. So we're just gonna make sure that it's combined and bindable rather. And then once we make these biscuits up, it's gonna be the filling in the middle. So we're gonna make it do what it do. All right, guys. So first we're gonna take some muffin pins that we have. We have the dollar store joints because, you know, I don't be baking them much. So we're going to spray them down so they won't be sticking. You know, this is the one that has the flour in it. So we ain't got to do too much, you know. We're going to set those to the side. All right, guys. So next, so you see we have the biscuit mixture as well as the crab mixture. So we're going to make our cups up. So I'm just going to take a little flour out of here and put it on my hands. You know? Put it in my hands.
Okay, chef.
Make it a mess. And then, so it will help with the sticking of the biscuit mixture. So you take some mixture. This is too... Alright guys, so the batter's kind of messed up. But I sprayed my hand and put some of the biscuit batter. Don't make biscuit batter.
It's all my fault.
In my hand. And then you're supposed to scoop some of the crab into the biscuit mixture. In the middle. You see how it's supposed to come around? This is like a project. You know what I mean? I want to put, you know, a heap in the mouth because I want to taste mine. And then you take the biscuit batter and put some on top. See, it's not coming out right here.
We need to go to the store and get another box.
And then close it, see, and then scoop it down. We're gonna make some cupcakes. Like so, like that. So, what it is you're supposed to put it up to me, baby. So what it is was you're supposed to be able to The batter supposed to be stiff enough that you can cup it in your hand, scoop a bit of the crab mixture into it, and then scoop a little bit more of the biscuit mixture on top to enclose it, and then put it in your thing. It ain't working like that. So what we're gonna do is
so soft.
We're gonna scoop a little bit into the pan. Then I'm gonna top it off with some crab mixture. Then we're gonna scoop some more on top. That's how we're gonna do it. Like
My bad, Bangaz. I added too much water, but we're gonna try to make this work. It's gonna come out perfect. Bangaz, this is like the perfect meal for the holidays where you with your boo and you chilling and you want something good to eat and watching a perfect movie. Try this. Try this and see what you get. You know what I mean? Something different. It's seafood and it's bread. Better yet, it's seafood and it's biscuit. Okay? Look how they coming together, guys. I'm hoping he saves the day. I'm hoping they come out just right.
It is what it is. We still gonna eat them.
Okay.
We gotta show us our life. If they don't come out right this time, you know we definitely have to make them again for the Bangaz to be shown. You know what I mean?
Well, the Bangaz gonna see this, so.
No, I'm just saying for, you know what I mean, I need to redeem myself, dang.
So I told you to do it, right?
No.
But we'll get into that some other time.
I wanted group participation, babe.
I got you, babe.
All right, guys, so here's the final look. These are the stuffed biscuits. We're gonna pop them in the oven on 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes until they're done and golden brown. Period. Be back.
All right, Bangaz, while the biscuits continue to bake, we're gonna do our butter sauce. Then we're gonna pour it on top of them. We're gonna take a half a stick of butter.
Half of a stick.
Yeah, that is half of a stick, but we just need enough. We're gonna take some garlic here.
That's a lot. And our biscuit box had a packet of seasoning in it. So we're just gonna tear it up, pour it inside, and pop it in the oven and melt it. See that? See that? See that? Let's get into it. Right. All right, guys. So now that Tony has finished his garlic butter, I'm just gonna sop it up with a biscuit and just douse it. You know what I mean?
Y'all see that? I'm ready to get into these for real.
We ain't gonna spend too much time.
They gotta be good. Bangaz, they got to be good. They just gotta be.
And let's go ahead and put a couple of them up and tear it up on that ass.
You heard?
Okay. It's hot. There we go.
Woo!
Period.
Hey,
You gonna put some succotash on the plate since we said we were gonna do that already? Or are you gonna just eat the biscuit as is?
Succotash? I haven't had dinner.
Alright guys, so we also made some that don't have a biscuit at the bottom because we ran out of biscuit mixture. So it's just a little, you breaking my crab cake?
Listen, it's a crab cake.
So we're gonna, add that to the mix just because we can, because it's our business. You know? That's Tabitha Brown say. It's a little crab cake muffin.
That came up perfect.
Alright guys, so we already plated ours up. So we showed you this is the succotash that Tony made, of course. But this is our biscuit mixture that we sort of kind of messed up, but we made it work anyway.
It's gonna
work.
work.
We was only able to make 6 and we don't know how it tastes. And this is like another crab cake that Tony broke mine. But anyway, this is like another crab cake that we put in the muffin tin as well. But yeah, but this is the actual product of what we're making today.
Look. And mine came out perfectly, guys.
I gave him the one that wasn't messed up.
Perfectly. And I'm dancing and I don't even know what it tastes like. But it got to be good. It has to be good. So listen, without further ado,
We're
mouth
gonna
is
get into
watering.
this one, right? The muffin.
Yes.
The muffin.
Mouth is watering. So let's go ahead and taste. Let y'all know what it tastes like. And here we go.
Just make sure you don't mess yours up and just do the right ingredients and measurements.
I just added just a little more water.
And that's what made it do what it do. See the heat coming out of there?
Is a fork good or a spoon?
Look at that.
Y'all see that? The heat is coming through, honey. Ooh. Don't let it drop, babe. Don't let it drop. Don't let it drop, babe.
So we're gonna go ahead and get it in 3, 2, 1. Somebody was high when they made this. They had to be. This is like a munchy meat. The biscuit mixed in with the crab meat already with the butter shea butter. What is it?
Listen, I don't know, but it's giving me something. It's giving me. Have I had this at Cracker Barrel or from the biscuits from
like
Red Lobster?
From the pot pie, or
yes,
it's giving something.
It's giving crab meat, guys. Very seasoned, very well. It's giving that biscuit mix with that cheddar, that sharp cheddar cheese. And it's giving just flavor. Flavor over flavor. And I'm not lying to you. I'm not lying to you guys. This is the perfect meal or perfect little thing to do for your company. Something different.
Maybe smaller
while you sit
versions.
Down. Yeah. Because you can't have a lot. You need maybe 2 cans if you have. Okay. What you talking about, babe?
Because if they eat the big one like this, they're going to...
Oh, no. They're going to be good. Yeah. Definitely. But I promise you, you guys will love it. This is something to sit down and watch a good movie and eat on some good eats. All right?
Yeah. Getting into it.
Good eats with Dion Tony. I didn't say that at all.
You know.
Perfect combination. Succotash, crab stuffed biscuit, and then the crab cake.
Just the crab cake without the egg.
Dion, that's flavor.
This is stupid for us to keep going out to eat.
You know what?
It's stupid.
Next year, we're going to do better.
It's stupid.
We're going to definitely do better.
We're spending money.
Next year, we're going to definitely do better. And we're going to take these ingredients or recipes that we have been doing on the channel and just incorporating it into our daily work week.
Period.
I mean, because it's really, really good. Of course, this is not something if you're on a diet or you're eating clean.
Not
this is something. Yeah, this is something to kind of do.
The crab cake one is fine.
On the weekend, you eat, whatever you want. Give yourself a free day. But this is awesome. You can't complain about this.
Listen.
Because you ain't saying nothing.
We gotta go, babe. We gotta go.
You ain't saying nothing. Yeah. I'm trying to get into it, but I'm trying to talk to the bangers.
Okay, listen. So while he's on that note, we thank you guys for watching. We appreciate all your love and support. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell a friend, bring a friend. New videos each and every Monday, Wednesday. Unless we're on vacation, we're glitching the Matrix, or we need a break.
Pop pie. You gave me that pop pie, baby. Y'all heard me say, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Comment in the comment section. Let us know what you want to see. Let us know if you like this video. We would love you so much for that. Listen, if you do decide to do this,
a flaky crusted pot pie.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Pot pie came through when I had bit that last one. When I got the last one, it went in my mouth. I said, this is a pot pie.
Right.
Listen, if you decide to do the recipe, please let us know. Please send us pictures.
And do the right measurement.
You do. He's trying. But anyway, we love y'all so much. We will see y'all in the next video. We hope y'all enjoyed this. Peace.